Hey, this is Ken from Coffee Crafters, and we wanted to do a quick video to show you what the upgrade is to make the Valenta 15 and 18. And I'm not going to go through the whole thing because it takes a while, but I wanted to show people so they understand what they would be getting into if they go to do the upgrade. So there are two main components that get replaced. One is the entire roast chamber all the way down here to the mount. That has to come out, and the other thing is the heat chamber. This is the heat chamber that has the heat element in it, and it goes on the floor on the bottom side. Then the loft motor mounts up against that. We'll have Chris make up a mechanical drawing of changing those parts out, or what you have to take out, how to put it back together. If anybody wants to do, we're going to walk you through it on the phone too when you have questions. So it's quite a chore to take it out, but if you're mechanically inclined at all, it won't be that bad. So we're going to give you a really good deal on these parts, $750 for the parts that it takes to do it. And then shipping will be on top of that. So if you decide you want to do this project, just call us. We'll give you a shipping quote directly to your location, just charge you what the actual shipping is. So $750 plus shipping. I would say this job will take about 4 or 5 hours. So it's not completely simple because you do have to disassemble quite a bit of it, take this out. We'll have kind of an order of the sequence to make it easier for anybody who's interested in. Like I say, we're going to help you on the phone to give you phone support while you're doing it. So if you're interested in that, let us know and we'll get the parts together for you. It'll probably be closer to the first of the year before these are available, because we're going to finish the Valenta 12 project before we go back and build the extra parts for this. Thanks.